There we go. Okay, go ahead.
Isaac?
What?
So my name is Jada. I am a casting director. I'm casting children for a brand new television show.
Is your name a boy or a girl?
I think...
Are you a boy or a girl?
You thought I was a girl. Is that what you said?
No, he asked if you were a boy or a girl.
Oh, yeah, because my name is Jada. Sometimes people always think that I'm a girl, but that's fine. I'm like the only boy named Jada.
What? You're a boy?
I am a boy. Or I might be a girl with a really deep voice.
But,
well, I want to ask you some questions because I think you would be perfect for a new television show that we're doing.
No.
Is that okay?
No.
You feel like talking to me today?
Sure. Why not?
Oh, perfect. That makes me very excited. So when I ask you these questions, just kind of remember, I want you to answer and kind of talk real loudly so we can hear you on the camera, okay? Can I have you start off and can you tell me your name and how old you are and where you live?
No.
Huh?
No.
No, you don't want to say that?
It's kind of going to waste the camera's battery.
It's okay. Can you tell him who you are?
Isaac, 5-year-old, and I live in Michigan.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
My name is Isaac, and I'm 5 years old, and I live in Michigan.
How do you like living in Michigan?
Because...
How do you like
it cold there? Is it...
Because I don't like scorpions.
How do you...
I do not like scorpions. Because I don't like scorpions. I do not like scorpions.
Oh, you don't like scorpions?
Well, they're not in Michigan. Because it's too cold for them to live there.
I live in California. You know where California is?
No.
Huh?
No.
No. California is west, all the way on the west side of the United States. You know how many states there are in the United States?
51.
51, that is correct. I hear that you know a lot of information about the solar system. Is that true?
Yep. I know there's 4 rocket planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. But the gas giants are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And Earth has that shield.
How did you get to know all this information about the solar system?
I just learned it from from my Netflix. It said how the universe works.
Where did you learn from?
From my Netflix, I said.
From your notebook?
Netflix. Like a television? Netflix?
Oh. Is that a television show?
Yeah, it's on my Wii, but my #1 controller is almost out of battery. Each box, when you pause it, it tells you how much battery it has left. And each box equals 25. There's 4 boxes, so it has 100% of battery. If all of them are filled in, it means it has 100% for now. It only has 1, it turns red because it's almost out of battery, and that means 25%.
Could you tell me some information about the solar system?
But...
Tell me what you know.
I thought you were going to give me some questions.
I will. I just wanted to give you a chance to warm up. You want me to just ask you questions?
Sure.
How many planets are in the solar system?
Just 8. Not 9 anymore.
What are the names of the 8 planets?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
There used to be 9. What is the one that's not a planet anymore?
Pluto. And that's the
Then why is
tiniest.
Pluto not a planet?
Pluto is the tiniest.
What do they call planets like Pluto?
It's kind of like an asteroid. It's an asteroid. Since it's not a planet anymore, it's an asteroid. Because it's kind of bigger than a star. So now it's an asteroid because it's really small, kind of like an asteroid. Now I heard that there is an asteroid belt.
Do you know what planet rotates on its side?
That's easy. It's Uranus.
Why does it rotate on its side?
I have no idea.
Do you know if the sun is a planet, a star, or a comet?
It's a star. Anyway, what's a comet?
Which planets have...
What's a comet? I don't know what a comet is.
I'm sorry?
What's a comet? I'll just say.
What's a comet?
Yeah.
I'm not quite sure.
Well, the
You know
sun.
what a comet is?
No,
No.
I know you what that word is.
We'll have to look it up.
I think it may be like a shooting star. I'm not sure, though. You ready for another question?
Yes.
Here, look at Mommy.
Why is Mars red?
Because it has iron. The iron makes it.
What causes a solar eclipse?
What's a solar eclipse? I can't tell you if I don't know it.
A solar eclipse is when the moon casts a shadow on the Earth.
I don't know. Oh, you mean when it's dark out?
Yeah.
Oh, it just makes it
You're
dark
too
out.
young for a solar eclipse. It only happens.
I had no idea what that thing was, but I knew what it was, but I thought I didn't know what that was.
Do you know what an asteroid belt is?
An asteroid belt is like a big group of asteroids.
Do you know what the 5 planets located beyond the asteroid belt are?
What?
There's 5 planets that are located beyond, like past the asteroid belt. You know what they are? The
No.
5 furthest planets?
No.
The 5 furthest planets, you know them.
Oh, yeah. It's Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and Mars.
That is correct.
Yep.
And you said both.
What is the largest star in the solar system?
The largest star is the sun. It's even bigger than the stars.
That is correct. Do you know which planet is closest to the sun?
The planet as closest is Mercury. It can go faster around than any planet. But Neptune goes so slow. It's the furthest.
So does that mean that all the planets, the further they're away, the slower they rotate around the sun?
Yes. The one that's really close, it goes kind of like a little fast, kind of like this. Mom's going kind of go. Does Mercury do this?
Can you say that?
What's it called?
Revolution.
Yep.
It is revolution. It's revolution.
What is the largest and densest of the inner planets?
What does that mean?
What does dense mean?
Yeah.
I think it's the most compact. It has the most put together.
Jupiter?
So maybe just the largest of the inner planets.